Alright guys, this is iTechTechnologies. Hamza is here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy PS Plus without credit card or debit card. So guys, without wasting of any more time, let's get straight into this video. And guys, of course, first you just need to go to the Play Store, and here in the Play Store guys, you just need to go to what's this option, redeem codes. And guys, now you need to buy a PS gift card, and if you want to purchase, link in the description. Of course, it also helps my channel. And guys, after that, when you go to this redeem option, you just need to paste the code that you have. And guys, you can see we have $10 funds, so you just need to go to the yes, add funds. And guys, in the top you can see we have $10 added. And guys, now you just need to go to the top, and guys, now what you have to do is you just need to go to the PS Plus, and in the PS Plus option guys, you just need to wait for a few seconds. Right now you have a super slow internet. And guys, if you want more straight to the point videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. It's free. I upload 3 times in a week about PS or Xbox related tutorials. So guys, as I have $10, so of course I'm looking for 1 month membership, so you just need to go to the 1 month. And guys, now you just need to tap the in cart, and after that go to the proceeds to checkout. And guys, in sometimes you might face cannot buy error at this point. If you are facing the error at this point, I already have the video to fix this, so yeah, you can watch the video if you are facing the error. So guys, after that you just need to continue purchase. And guys, now in the top you can see you have successfully buy the PS Plus membership without credit card or debit card. Where you can buy those gift cards, you can actually purchase from Amazon, and link in the description if you are interested. It also helps my channel, as I said earlier. And guys, I hope this short to the point tutorial is helpful for you. If you learn anything, you definitely consider to subscribe, like or share this video.